No market recap today because Wall Street is closed. So instead, let's talk about a company that may be getting ready to bring the space economy into the stock market, SpaceX. The real story here is not just that SpaceX is famous. The real story is that recent reports suggest this may be moving beyond rumor. SpaceX is said to have confidentially submitted IPO paperwork, with a possible 2026 listing target, an internal code name called Project Apex, and support from a long list of major investment banks. That does not mean the IPO is fully confirmed yet, but it does suggest this is becoming a real process, not just another headline. And if this deal happens, it would be huge. At a reported valuation near $1.75 trillion, SpaceX would not be just another tech listing. It would immediately become one of the most valuable companies in the world. But the reason investors care goes far beyond the IPO itself. SpaceX is no longer just a rocket company. Falcon 9 changed the launch business with reusable boosters. Falcon Heavy expanded the company's reach for larger missions. And Starship is the much bigger long-term bet, built for the moon, deep space, and eventually Mars. In other words, SpaceX is not building one product. It is building an entire system. Then there is Starlink, and this may be the most important part of the story. Starlink has become the company's core business engine. With more than 10 million subscribers, around $10 billion in 2025 revenue, and a satellite network that already dominates low Earth orbit. Reports also suggest SpaceX now operates more active satellites than the rest of the world combined. That is not just scale. That is a powerful position in the future of global communications infrastructure. And the story keeps getting bigger. SpaceX has defense exposure through Starshield. It continues to win major government contracts. Nasdaq is also easing rules, so giant new listings may qualify for faster index inclusion, which means passive money could flow in much sooner after an IPO. And beyond all of that, the longer-term vision reaches into AI infrastructure, orbital computing, lunar industry, and a future where space is no longer just exploration, but business. That is why this story matters. If SpaceX eventually goes public, investors would not just be buying a space stock. They would be buying a company trying to turn orbit into infrastructure and science fiction into industrial reality. Today's video includes a sponsored promotion. For those of you who battle the market every day, you can find the InnoLab Design Traders pill case in the channel profile. I'll see you again after the next market close. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily market recaps. This is Wilson.